Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in Marmaris Grand Bazaar, so let's see Wagwan. You know the vibe. So yeah, it's been a little while since we've gone here, so we thought we'd give an updated version, let you know what's changed, if anything has changed, and let you guys see the Marmaris Grand Bazaar. So this has like a colour code system, so once we get into it, it's a very big area. And you've basically just got loads of different shops, clothes, bags, leather, all the sort of coffees, teas, sweets, everything. And there is a lot of it. So there's a few little restaurants and bars and stuff in between. But yeah, if you do want to check out the Grand Bazaar, yeah, we'll go around. So this is like a shaded area, just to show you got a nice little bit of cover because it's absolutely roasting today. Great day for shopping, isn't it? Isn't it? But yeah, loads and loads of options. I usually get lost in here, so like I said, there is a colour code system, but it means nothing to me. End up going down one way and I'm like, where have we gone? Right, so this is what I was talking about. So this would say pink. So we'll go down the pink section.
Welcome.
Hello. And show you guys. So yeah, you got all your sort of Turkish sweets. Your bag stores. All your sort of clothes, little Burberry outfits there. Shoes. What are you telling me to? Oh, but you said stop talking. Fine, thank you.
Lady, show my shop. This is YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Back home.
Yeah. So yeah, this is so we do prefer Ishmael just because it's a lot more quieter, more ball gowns there. And like I said, I end up getting lost in here, but it's definitely worth a visit. I would always say, if you're in Marmaris, Ishmael, this is somewhere that you should definitely come. For the morning, I'd say come early before it gets too hot, spend a few hours, and then, you've got the rest of the day. Because you will find something, there's always, shops, jewellery, glasses, whatever. You will get some items, and it is an experience. It's like going to London, you have to go to Oxford Circus, you have to go to, fine, thank you, like West Quay, you have to go to Selfridges, Harrods. There's a few places you kind of have to tick off if you are a shopper and you do enjoy shopping. So I would definitely say it is worth a visit. But I think because I am definitely more into a calmer lifestyle at the moment, I just prefer Ishmael. Look at these ones here, really nice and bright, got the pink and purple. My daughters used to be pink and purple, that was their little uniform. One was purple, one was pink. Not by my choice, but it did make life easier. You could tell them apart better. But yeah, so it does go really widely spread. I'm not going to go any further than this because Kurt just stops at a shop, and I know if I go left or right, I will not find him. So, like I said, we are in colour coded at the moment. We've just gone through like the pink system, and then it's brought us to this like courtyard bit, and like I said, limitless options for you to go and get your stuff. But yeah, I've got some nice little jewellery bits here. I haven't really got any jewellery. Oh, I'm not going inside, thank you. No advertisement is free, my friend. This is already the advertisement, we're here. But yeah, if I go into every store, you'll end up being here for like 3 days. So yeah, I'm not going to go in all the stores. Like I said, it is a very, very big a big complex. And if you get hungry, there is places to get like a beer, get fresh juice, get traditional Turkish kebab, and all your food and stuff. And the marina is just behind us as well, so it is a nice day out. So you've got a lot to do, and then the beach is stone throws from this area as well. If you did want to go to the beach, there he is. Right, let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, I didn't want to go any further because I was like, I'll get lost. Yeah. You're new to the channel.
It happened last time, didn't it?
Yeah, and I get lost. It just happens. I do not have that natural navigational system. And I know it can be taught and learned, so obviously don't feel sorry for me. But yeah, I do easily get lost. And when I say lost, I know where I am. I come out here and I know how to get back to my hotel, but I mean lost as in, I'm like, I don't know what side of the bazaar I'm at, I'll just meet you at the hotel as it's easier. Because it is a very big stretch of area. So you've got Prime mode there, not Primark, Prime mode. At the moment, all the like coats and fur in there, it's like, do not need that today. But again, a lot of people get a suitcase and this is stuff you can bring home, so you've got like all your winter garments. Because in the UK you do need your fur and your coats. Show you guys up there. So in the outside bit at the moment, so you've got like the inside colour-coded bit, you've got this squared bit. And then you've got like the little area with like the restaurants and stuff, haven't you?
Yeah.
I'll just show you guys. There's not really much down there. So you've got all the bags. There you go.
Welcome.
You're right, guys. Thank you.
I knew you last year.
Yeah.
You also make video last year.
Yes, we did, yeah.
Can you video this?
Oh no, we're okay, thank you. Thank you. So you've got your jewellery as well. So I don't know if the jewellery's as big at the moment. A lot of people do get the silver, but I think the gold and stuff, probably just because people haven't got the funds for it, isn't as big. See, this is how we get lost. Thank you. So yeah, we're in the outside bit. We will get back to the colour-coded bit. So there's, I think, pink, blue, green and yellow. More mic'd up.
I'm sure this is inside the bazaar. This used to have the roof. You take it off.
Yes.
Oh, okay. They take it cool off.
Now all of them. Just a little bit less.
Yeah.
Maybe they will start in December now.
Ah, okay.
Some there is left.
Yeah. Okay.
Maya, maybe they put something in the roof.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell them, but they don't listen.
Problem. That's the problem.
They
Oh.
can put time on it, but not about
Yeah.
even more.
Thank you very much, cheers. Ah, so there you go. They've taken the roof system off. So,
Shops never noticed them.
yeah, and then it's like, what's happened? So they'll be back on December?
No, it's completely finished.
Ah, there you go, your Turkish delights.
Completely finished.
Ah, wow. So it's all changed, there you go. What's new? That's new. No more roof. You fully...
Making it even hotter.
It is, for this time. I mean, yeah, if you come sort of slightly out of season, but...
The floor is new and the side
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, we went...
The floor is new.
Oh, sorry. There you go, guys, sorry.
There you go.
Yeah, but like I said, the last video we did here was, what, almost a year ago?
And look, the brickwork, this is all new. Everything's all new, looking nicer. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Where from?
England.
Welcome to Turkey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All respect.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, they've changed it. So yeah, let us know if you've been here since the refurbishment, we'll say, the updated bazaar. So it's good that we've done this because, like I said, the last one we went to,
You right?
it was slightly later.
Yes, let's shop here.
Icon.
Icon.
Thank you. Oh, and my way. Yeah. Okay. Oh, beautiful little breeze there. Got Marmaris leather as well. Yeah, it is a little bit slippery, but it is nicer. So yeah, I think that is. I like the update. Put in the comments below if you prefer the update or the old style. If you want to check out what it looked like before, go to our playlist, or you can watch the Ultimate Marmaris Guide, either one, and it has it on there so you can sort of see the comparison, see the difference. Right. So yeah, that's the new and updated bazaar. Hope you guys have enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hype as well. I'm not sure what hype does, but it does help us. And we'll see you guys on the next one.